welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to playing Spectre in Roblox. This is actually a pretty cool game. I love it. So in this we spawn in a van and we go to find ghost in sorry, any map you check, any map you do. And this is the home screen on this, and there are many items that you could buy. Mine something spawn in the van and something you have to buy to do that, and you actually get money from playing rounds. And these are all the things. So sanity soda is this, replenishes your sanity. EMF reader can be used to identify the ghost room, and 5 EMF 5 evidence. Okay, and we also have to submit the evidences we found in the journal button. And the third one is spirit box, which is used to talk to the ghost and get the spirit box evidence. And another one is strong flashlight, which is we get normal flashlight in the van, but this is a much more stronger version of that. Then this is motion sensor, that this makes noise when the ghost pass nearby you. And then the book, in which you could tell the ghost to write, so you could get an evidence. Then is ghost goggles, you could see the ghost, you could see some blue type of orbs and get the orbs evidence. Then is the candle, it is a source of light, then lighter if the ghost blows out your candle, so you could light it once again. Then it's a camera, so you could record if the ghost come. Then this is the crucifix, this is basically when ghosts come, if you drop this, the ghost will not attack you, means kill you. Then this is the thermometer, this will tell what's the temperature over there. And this is glow stick, another sort of light. And yeah, so today I'm going to be playing with my brother, so let's begin. Please create the game. So this is public, private, you could do anything you want. And I'm going to playing a game with my brother. So there it's his name. So I'm just going to join it and press the ready button. And if you buy anything, you could just go over here and add, but for now I have not bought anything. So we are going to start a game in the luxury home, and the difficulty is going to be medium, because for now we are a little bit of pros, not that much but a little bit. So let's begin. So we are just going to in process of teleporting. I am waiting to join, and whenever you could hold the EMF reader and say toggle the button and then say, hey, are you here with the name of the ghost? So you're just going to get to know what it is. So now we are teleporting. So there I am in, guys. These guys literally took everything. Oh my gosh, I don't want to play. I'm leaving. Yes. Yeah. Okay guys, I've just created the another lobby, because that was everybody took everything. And the code is 371. So please join. Okay, so please ready yourself, and now we are joining the rounds. Woohoo! Hey, I forgot to select the map. So which I am thinking luxury home and medium once
luxury
again.
home. Take luxury home.
Yes, luxury home and medium. I've done that.
Hey guys.
Yes, so let's go.
Before the game is starting, please hit like and subscribe.
Yes, guys, and we are in the process of teleporting. So let's go.
तू ghost को
So guys, I've just teleported, and I'm quickly picking up the EMF because I really want it. Hey, how did I got this? Okay. I'm picking one torch. Wait, how did I just get this iPad? I don't really want the iPad. Yeah, maybe let's.
Take off.
Okay, I've taken orbs, but I have like an EMF, torch, and orbs.
You have EMF reader?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm taking the book.
I am taking ghost orb.
Yes, you take the ghost orbs. And who is taking the temperature one?
Nobody.
Okay, we will come to like take it. Okay, guys. So first of all, we will like yes. So I am like holding the EMF reader. We have to press on the toggle button. So if it gets yellow, that means the ghost is nearby. And I'm pressing the light button so I get a little bit of light because soon these lights are going to turn off. Okay, so where shall we go first? Over here?
Firstly, you have to show first floor
Okay.
and then second floor, okay?
Okay. First I'm going in here. Oh, here is the like toggle button. So if the light goes, we have to like press that. Yeah, the ghost is not here. Let's check out somewhere. Whoa, I just thought that this I thought that this chair was the ghost and I just got scared like so much. I don't know, I'm in this locker type of thingy majigger.
Now let's see second floor.
Wait. Oh, it's yellow over here. It's yellow over here. It's yellow over here. Yellow. Please, like, just place this book over here. Did you, like, check the name of the ghost?
Oh, I forgot.
Don't leave me.
No problem.
The ghost is following us. The ghost is following us.
The ghost replying without name also.
Yeah, but still, I'm going out because the chances are more.
Don't leave me alone.
Yeah, because then if the ghost comes, he's going to eat you.
Finally.
Oh, the name is Steve Scott.
What?
Steve Scott. Let's go.
Steve is also.
Wait. Let me just like quickly take the temperature thingy because I have one slot free. Because I like place the book over there.
Can you please give me EMF? Okay, no. You can take it.
Okay, I will give you when you ask me, not right now.
Okay. No problem.
The name is Steve Scott. Don't forget, or we have to go all the way over there again.
Horse is here. Yes, horse is here.
Yeah, it's yellow. You just place this walkie-talkie so I could also say. Okay, so I'm going to say, Steve, are you here? Okay, let's say, Steve, where are you?
Take name first.
Oh, it's dark red. It's dark red.
Click the general button.
Okay, and then I will like, now it's yellow, but I will, yeah, it's, oh my gosh.
Don't panic. I have a solution.
I'm
But you
like,
have to follow me.
let's go to the toggle button, please.
Okay. Wait. Sachi, wait.
Wait.
I found the off of first.
Where?
First of all, turn on the lights. Where are Sachi? Follow me.
Yes, I'm following you.
I on the switch off lights. Can you on the lights?
Yes, now we
Okay,
can.
let's go.
First, give me the ghost orbing buttons. I want to see the orb too.
I found the off of first.
Where?
Wait.
Oh my gosh. Seriously?
One props. Oh my god.
Okay, let me just put orbs on evidence too.
Go to turn on the light.
Okay, orbs. No, wait me. It's orange. He's going to eat me. No. It was orange when you left me, literally.
Wait for me. Click the journal button.
I have already.
First evidence is EMF 5. Second evidence is off.
Yes.
Now go through. Oh my god, he is not coming now. Yes. So let's go. I think we can on the light.
It's yellow.
See, he's writing something though. Can't write something.
Okay.
Let me see. A single page.
Steve, can
Don't
you?
take, don't type your name.
I'm writing Steve. Can you write in the book? Maybe
Yeah,
it
you
gets
can
like
write.
dark red.
Can you? Are you typing? There are.
Oh, he just threw the plate. Can you
This
see
game
over?
is this. First of all, guys, we have to tell you that this game is inspired by Phasmophobia.
Yes, guys. Uh,
This game is like
let me just like say Steve or. Oh. The plate just went from there to here. Could you just like saw that? Guys, did you saw that? The plate was literally. Oh, it's orange. It's orange. It's orange. I'm going. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. I could not take the risk. I don't want to die. I literally, guys.
Such is very chocolate girl because he's very scared. He's scared.
No, guys, because like I, whenever play this game, I always
I
die.
told you to
I
never
literally always die. My brother never dies. I always die. I'm like so. Hey, I have more sanity than you. And why did you end the round?
We found the.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I think we won. Let me see how much money do I get from this. So I could like buy maybe some more things, like cool things. Let's wait. So guys, I just got $27. Yeah.
I also.
And he also got it. And now I'm level 3 from level 2. Woohoo! So guys, hope you like this video. I know I'm like a scary catty, but so
Yeah.
guys,
Let's
yes.
play another match. Let's play another match.
Shall we? Okay, let's play.
Public or private?
How about public this time?
Okay.
Yes.
Please join.
Okay, I'm joining. Okay. And do not play clinic. It's like no, not Asylum. It gets like so laggy. Please do not. Like, can you
Wait
please?
for other players.
No, please put the map as the like what is luxury home.
I want to play large man.
Okay, but it gets laggy. So just start.
Okay, I know.
Start. No, please. Yeah. This one is great. No, luxury. Is this
I
map
know.
big or small?
Very small. This map is very small.
Okay, then it's great because when it's like medium or big maps, it gets like laggy. Okay, so we are playing in 3 people. Woohoo!
3 हो जाएगा उसमें क्या
See,
है?
guys, my brother has level 2 and I have level 3.
Don't worry. Mine is in the after this game, my level also above from you.
Okay, let's see. I'm picking up EMF and the ghost. I disconnect. No.
What?
No, guys. So, guys, like me and my brother both disconnected. So, we are starting a new round. So, let's go. I am creating it this. So, let's create it. And yeah, please join. Okay, so the map is going to be hideout. And it's going to be easy peasy because I guess.
No. Click medium.
Or maybe insanity.
Insanity. You have to purchase Robux and then.
Why do we have to? Okay, so let's put like hard mode, like please.
Why are you kicking people?
I'm not kicking people. They must be leave. Okay, so guys, the hideout map and it's super duper hard. So now let's begin. In the process of teleport. So I am just loading right now. Okay, guys, I'm there. I'm like quickly taking the EMF and the walkie-talkie because these are the main things, you know. No, I have taken them. I will give you these things later on. Like these 2 people have like I'll give you outside so these people do not take anything. And you just take take the torch over here. And now let's go. I'm starting the round. And you come over here. Come over here. I'll give you beyond the van. What do you want? EMF or walkie-talkie? Why is this girl coming? EMF or walkie-talkie? Okay, I've dropped that. Okay, so now let's check what's the name of the ghost. It's Shay Garcia. Okay, it's Shay Garcia. So guys, this is the map. It's the hideout map. I'm playing this for the first time, and it's hard mode. Remember, guys. And the lights are not even turning on because it's hard mode.
We can't play easy mode. We can play hard mode. It cannot.
Yes, because I really wanted to try that. Because I get like so scared in like easy mode. What about in hard mode? I really wanted to know.
You can take EMF.
Wait, what is this written on the board?
Oh,
Message of the day, Mr. Oh, oh.
please can you put in your hand EMF reader?
Yes, I have put in it.
Okay.
Mr. Longwen has been.
I can see where in the I can't see something.
Okay, come over here with me. Come with me.
Okay, I am coming with you. I am following you. Let's go.
Okay. This door is open.
That means that
This map is so big.
yeah, it's very small, but
It's like a horror thingy, and
my
I'm
flashlight.
already lost.
Oh my God, my flashlight was.
Ghost is behind you. No, it was another person. He just scared me, like seriously.
You also scared me.
Guys, I'm just going. I just saw the ghost, and
Oh my God, I also saw the ghost. Where are you?
I want to go out.
Where are you?
I'm lost. I don't know. I just ran. Oh, I'm in the van. Guys, I'm in the van.
Scared.
Guys, I was just like lost, and I just like ran, and don't ask me how I got here. I don't even know myself, and I don't know. I don't really want to go in there anymore. I'm so scared.
Where is the
Don't scare me.
found Go where is the
Like, I just saw the ghost, and I was like, boom, bye, I'm going. Like, I was the first person to see the ghost, and he was about to kill me, but I just ran.
Where are you? I can't.
These two people just died. Can you see that?
Oh shit!
I'm in the van, and I like just see question mark on them. These people died. Just come out, or you are also going to die.
Where are you?
I'm in the van. Oh, the ghost came in the van. It's orange. He's going to kill me. I'm so scared. Now it's green.
Where is
The ghost
Oh,
just
I-
came
I
to
found-
give me
I
a
found-
jump scare. Come
Oh,
fast. Like forum.
Finally, I came.
Like guys, I'm like super duper scared. I don't want to submit any evidence, and I'm finishing the round. Shall I?
Wait, I have found some.
What is it? What is it?
What?
Evidence you found.
You can't find any evidence.
Yes, so I'm ending the round.
This. You can.
The hard mode is like super duper difficult, guys. The hard mode is super duper difficult. I don't know what it would be in insanity mode. Oh my god. Okay, guys.
I'm also
So,
level
guys,
3.
hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.